Hello everybody, it's Pastor Dre, and today I'm going to give you 3 tips that'll help you get more traffic to your church website. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, 3 top tips to optimize your church website for Google. In today's digital age, your church's online presence is often the first impression for potential visitors. With over 60% of church searches starting on Google and more than 30,000 monthly searches for church near me, optimizing your website isn't just technical, it's essential ministry outreach. These 3 proven strategies will help your church website rise in search rankings, reach more people in your community, and create a welcoming digital front door to for your congregation. Are you ready? You ready? Let's go. Tip number 1. Prioritize local SEO and claim listings and use your address. You want to claim your Google business profile listing. You want to claim it. It's free. Verify your ownership. You add your service times, upload current photos, and keep information updated seasonally. Okay, number 2, you want to display your address consistently. Include your complete physical address with identical formatting in your website footer. You catch that? Contact page and across all online platforms. Embed Google Maps. Add an interactive map with your church marker on contact and visitor pages to improve local relevant signals. So you can add a Google map on your contact page, and you can add a Google map on your visitor page. Even your home page is not a bad idea. All right, gather member reviews. Encourage your congregation to write authentic Google reviews about their experiences, boosting your visibility and credibility. Now, here's a good idea for that. Imagine making a QR code that links to your Google reviews. Whenever you have a first-time guest, you can ask them to scan the QR code and leave a review. Most churches, when they have the first-time guest, they take them to a separate room after service. You can even ask them to leave a review when you do that. That's powerful. All right, let's go to tip number 2. Optimize pages for relevant keywords. How do you do that? Number 1, you research local church keywords. Identify high-traffic search terms like church near me, your denomination, and church in your city. You could also do family church in your neighborhood or Sunday service in your city. Say it's San Francisco or Oakland or San Jose or Miami or New York, whatever your city is. Okay? So that's number 1. Number 2, place keywords strategically. Incorporate your target keywords naturally in your page titles, what appears in browser tabs, okay? Your H1 headings, which is main page headlines, your meta descriptions, search results snippets, and your first 100 words of content on key pages. That's powerful. So basically, if your target keyword is church near me in Oakland, you want to put that term within the first 100 words of your content on that page. So whatever keyword you're targeting for that page, put it in the first 100 words of your content. That's good stuff right there. All right, number 3, localize your content. Mention your city, mention your neighborhood, or landmark references throughout your site, especially on your home page, about page, and event listings. So whatever your city you're in as a church, reference that on your home page, your about page, your events listings. That's good for Google. And number 4, you want to use SEO tools. You can install plugins like Yoast SEO for WordPress. I personally use SEO Press, which is a brilliant program. I'll put a link if you want to get that plugin. There's a free version, then there's a paid version. Or you can get similar tools that provide real-time guidance for optimizing each page as you create content. All right, let's go to tip number 3, and we'll get ready to wrap it up. Ensure mobile-friendly and easy-to-use navigation on your web design. You want it to be mobile-friendly. I see some churches, their website looks good on a desktop, but when you go to mobile, it's all cluttered. Okay, so you want to make sure it looks good on your mobile and a desktop. Mobile optimization is essential. Why? Over 60% of church website visits happen on mobile devices. Google prioritizes mobile-friendly sites in search rankings. Responsive design principles ensure your site automatically adjusts to any screen size with readable text, touchable buttons, and fast load times. This is some good stuff, family. By the way, if you have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comment section. I would love to help out where I can. Okay, so if you have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comment section. Intuitive navigation. First-time visitors should immediately find service times, location, and what to expect. Place this information prominently on your homepage. Use Google's free mobile-friendly test or website grader to check your site's performance and identify improvements. Next steps, review your current website against these 3 tips. Start with Google Business Profile setup, then move to keyword optimization, and finally address any mobile experience issues. This will take your website to another level. This will get you more traffic to your website. I could show you some, let me see if I can log in real quick. I want to show you some results that we get. Let me see if I can log in. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to pull it up for you. I'm going to show you some results that we get with Google My Business. Powerful with our website. I oversaw this website in Cape Town, and the Google My Business is blowing up, family. I'm telling you, it's free. So let me go ahead and load it up for you. I'm going to go to the profile here. All right, then I'm going to bring it on over into the screen here. All right, let me show you. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, this is our Google My Business. We've had over 1,347 customer interactions within the last, I think that's 28 days, I believe it is. Let's go ahead and check it out. So we're going to look at performance, and it'll tell me. Okay, I'm sorry, not 28 days. From March to August, we've had over 1,347 interactions, and they're going to break it down by topic. We've had 421 calls. Chat clicks, we just hooked that up 2 days ago, so we still got to get some information on that. That's pretty cool, and that's pretty new. Now you could chat through WhatsApp on your Google My Business, which we just hooked up 2 days ago. We don't do bookings. Directions, over 290 people have asked for directions, and we've had over 636 website clicks from our Google My Business. So just right there, that's powerful. Now if you scroll down, you can see this. 10,000 people viewed your business profile, 2,000 searches showed your business profile and search results. So you also rank for keywords if you set up a Google My Business. Look at the keywords that we're ranking for, which is powerful. Rehabilitation centers, free rehab centers in Cape Town, Victory Outreach Rehab, rehab centers in Cape Town for free, Rehab Cape Town. This is powerful. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up with that. If you have any questions, family, please drop them in the comment section. I would love to assist where I can. And I think that's it. Let me see if I got another page for. I think I got a thank you page for you. Let me see. I think I created one. Nope, that's it. All right, so if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. If this video has given you any value, don't forget to like, follow, share, subscribe. It's your boy, Pastor Dre, and you can use this for your business, your church, or your ministry. God bless.